Ayaw na mapama ako. Mulupad jud mo langit. Alo, lo. Sige. Sorry, ang taray. Ito kayo. Ching sang, darabadi naman nilili. Magdula sa pagpalingaw. Be Spider-Man, be Batman, be Superman, be Bumburu. Uso naman na. Ano dili naman uso na. Sigma boy. Dula sa fun for raining in Manila to see a falling day. May mga abat. Nowa ay kaya bakit mandura ko atong isa. No. Sa tuyo. Sorry naman na ko rin. Naman na. Upo patanin yun sa puta-toto. Pangalan na? Chicken banana, yo. Chicken banana, yo. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Banana. No. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Banana. Oh, banana. Baby. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Banana. One plus one, anyone. 2 plus 2, igit pa more. Budi, yeah. Budi, ikut tugu. Nyam, nyumin. Akan bahas flower and hold your hand. I can hold my own hand. Wake up to the morning to apologize. Everyone makes me butterflies. Something into my eyes. And heart so sweet. That dirty that you heart so sweet. That dirty that you heart so sweet. Never, 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 yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every body makes me butterfly. Something in the name to my eyes. That dirty like your heart so sweet. That dirty like your heart so sweet. That dirty like heart sweet. And never, 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 yeah. Hold me in the morning to apologize. Every bar makes me butterfly. Something to my eyes. That's the dirty that you are so sweet. Dirty that you are so sweet. Dirty that you are so sweet. Never, never, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every butter makes me butterflies. Something in me to my eyes. But dirty do you all so sweet. Part 2 na lang na ha ang Avatar World. Wala naman ko i-aminin. No, no, no. Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you. Animal. Go back to the zoo. Don't be afraid. I'm there too. Out to the gate. Laughing at you. Nobody likes you. You like the animal. Mga matay na lang mo. Sige, magkatip og mga tug. Mga ambot sa langaw. Yung English ba mo? Tantaw lang ninyo na isa. English po din isa. Happy birthday.
Pinapakain nila ng pigs.
Ooh.
Ano nagpa-renovate man talaga yung bahay gawa kung talaga sa imong mga silingan? Ay sus, dili. Magpa-renovate na rin po sa inyong bahay. Mananghit yun po sa inyong mga silingan. Eh parang ano.
Bye, dog.